Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make French fries or potato chips. This is so easy to make, and trust me, making your own homemade potato chips is very easy and it's so delicious. Let's get started. I'm using 500 grams of potato, which I've peeled the skin and wash it beautifully as seen in the video. I'll go ahead and slice it into thin slices. So you need a mandolin for this recipe. If you don't have the mandolin, please try yourself to get one because it makes it so easy. But you can also use a knife as well. So this is more or less like this is what you're looking for. It should be as thin as seen in the video. I'll go ahead and finish it till I'm done. So like I said, I used 500 grams of potatoes. You can use 1 kilo, like if you want it a lot, you can use 1 kilo or 2 kilos. After I'm done slicing it, I'll go ahead and wash it. You do not want any white thing. Make sure you wash it well. You wash it very well, so you don't see any white thing in it. So as you can tell from the video, once I was adding the water to it, you didn't see anything. I let it sit for about 20 minutes, maximum 20 minutes, before going ahead to line my work surface with a heavy paper or heavy tissue, and then I'll arrange the potatoes on it, the sliced potatoes on it. Please make sure you do this process. After, I'll clean it well and make sure it's dried. I even left it for 10 minutes to make sure it's dried well before frying those bad boys. So I used a different tissue to clean off any excess water, and then left it to dry for at least 10 minutes. You want it completely dry. After 10 minutes, I added oil to my saucepan, preheated it, and fried these bad boys. Basically, that's it, guys. After you are done with the process, all you have to do is to fry them and eat them. It's so simple, and trust me, stay close to it. This took no time at all to get ready. Stay close to it, keep turning it until it starts frying, getting cooked, getting crispy, and that's it, guys. This is very easy to make, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Try it, send me some pictures in the comment section, send me what you have in the comment section, and I'll surely reply, guys. This is so delicious. Making your own homemade potato chips or French fries is very easy. Look at them, look at it, guys. Stay close to it. You do not want it to get burned, because this, once it's cooked and it gets crispy, it gets burned quickly. So please stay close to it, and once you get to the right point, remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. Some might get a little bit brown, but it's nothing, it's all nice anyway. Just look at how crispy it is. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, stay blessed, ciao.